Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LangChain with AWS Lambda for document question answering, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service. Click on the Create Function button. Select Author from Scratch for the function creation method. Enter a name for your Lambda function, such as LangChain Document QA. Choose the runtime to be Python 3.8 or later. Set the execution role to create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. Click on the Create Function button to finalize your creation. Once your function is created, scroll down to the function code section. In the code editor, install the LangChain library. You can do this by adding the necessary dependencies in the requirements.txt file. Create a new file named requirements.txt and include LangChain followed by the version you need. Next, set up your document storage. You can use Amazon S3 for storing documents. Navigate to the S3 service and create a new bucket. Give your bucket a unique name and configure settings as necessary. Upload your documents into this S3 bucket. Return to your Lambda function and scroll to the Environment Variables section. Add an environment variable for your S3 bucket name. This will be used to access your documents from within your Lambda function. Now, navigate to the code editor and write a function to handle the incoming events. This function should read documents from S3 and process them with LangChain. Implement necessary imports at the top of your code. These typically include Boto3 for AWS SDK and LangChain modules. Write a handler function that uses Boto3 to read the documents from S3. Utilize LangChain's document processing capabilities within this function. Return the results of your question answering setup. Once you finish writing the code, click on the Deploy button to save your changes. Test your Lambda function with sample events to verify everything works correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.